How to crack TS EAMCET in just one day. In just one day. Is it possible? Can I crack TS EAMCET exam by just preparing for just one day? Is it possible? Tell me. Yes, you can do it for sure. You can crack it just in one day's preparation. You will do it. Just watch this video completely. After writing your exam, you would definitely thank me for these tips and tricks. Before we proceed with this video, I just want to remind you that you are at the #1 EAMCET YouTube channel, The Dream Builders, with over 150 plus videos regarding EAMCET. So we will be guiding you from very beginning till you get the best college of EAMCET. So don't forget to subscribe us and press the bell icon. So you are having one day, that is 24 hours of time. So utilize this time properly. And if it is not now, then when will you start your preparation? There's only one day left, right? So utilize this time properly. Here's a timetable for you. Get up early. Don't study late night. It won't help. From 6 to 7 a.m., do your breakfast and do some exercise which will keep you active throughout your day. From 7 a.m. till night 11:59 p.m., you're going to study. Just for one day. Study continuously for this much hours and take small short breaks of 10 minutes. So total 15 hours you are going to study just for one day. Follow this timetable just for one day. Let us start all over with EAMCET previous year papers. Solve at least 3 to 4 papers, previous year papers from 2016 to 2018 or 2015 to 2018. It's up to you. So there's already a video on my YouTube channel. Go through that video and you can download those previous year papers. Because almost 40 questions out of 160 will be asked from previous year papers. Same questions, only values may differ. So solve previous year papers for sure. This is your first trick you're going to follow. And another thing is, you have to acknowledge yourself that you will crack EAMCET at any cost. You're going to crack EAMCET, that's it. You might have performed very well in your inter exams, right? So you can score well in EAMCET too. Remember this point. Just believe yourself that you will do well, that's it. In mathematics, do trigonometry, probability, differentiation, integration, matrices, complex number, quadratic equation. These are the most important chapters. So give more time for mathematics. Out of 15 hours, give 7 hours for maths. Write down all the formulas in a piece of paper so that you can easily revise it in the early morning of your exam day. If you are having any reference book, go to the solved questions of EAMCET. You have spent thousands of rupees buying those books. So use them at least a day before the exam. And for physics, don't touch it at all. I suggest you leave physics aside, that's it. You're not gonna do physics. You will opt all B or all C options in physics. And it's up to you. And use this trick at your own risk. Just in physics. Don't apply it in mathematics or chemistry. It won't work. Use it at your own risk. In chemistry, electrochemistry, stoichiometry, all SPDF block elements, periodic table, thermodynamics. You're gonna test these topics and study accordingly. Try to remember whatever you have studied in your inter-exam BSQs, very short questions for chemistry, because they might contain some examples. Okay, so they might help you. Go through those very short questions. In botany and zoology, go through the most important or most weighted chapters like cell, human anatomy, morphology, reproduction, ecology, genetics, etc. Study accordingly. First complete these chapters, then only touch other chapters if you're having time. Go with a smiling face into your exam center. Don't worry, be calm and be confident. And while coming back from the exam center, maintain that same smile. And comment below this video regarding your exam. How was your exam? Okay? Don't be a loser in your life. Take responsibility of your life. Just do it. Just do it. It's a matter of day. You're gonna crack EAMCET at any cost. Also watch these videos. EAMCET tips and tricks. You will find it on my YouTube channel, and how to crack TS EAMCET 2019 in 10 days. Go through my YouTube channel and watch these videos. And don't forget to subscribe the #1 EAMCET YouTube channel, The Dream Builders. Thanks for watching. Leave a like below.